We're here today at Knott's Berry Farm in front of the Blind Tiger Secret Club that really isn't a club at all, but
yes, it is.
We tell people it is during Scary Farm and they stand here and wait for it to open and it never does. We tell them it's a maze and they wait for hours.
Oh, no, we told them it was a bar.
A bar, yeah, they thought there was alcohol inside.
Yes.
So why are we here today, Jen?
20's
Roaring,
dress up
roaring,
and Knott's Berry Farm Day.
Roaring 20's Fashion Day. That's why I'm wearing a fedora. I've got some suspenders. I got a bow tie.
Yep.
This is a fan-created event put together by One Big Knott's Family Entertainment. So guests are going to be dressed up in their Roaring 20's best. You ready? I got to go get dressed. Let's get ready for this. Okay.
You can do it in there.
I don't think that door opens. We'll see. So here's my outfit. Like I said, Party City didn't have the whole outfit, so I look like this weird hybrid 90s skater kid from Ventura County.
Which you are.
Which I am.
Yes.
Part-time stagecoach or train bandit.
Which you're not.
I'm not. And then a 20s gangster.
You're more like a 2000 gangster.
Yes.
Oh,
So this is my outfit. And the little bow is from Miss Doolittle's because Party City didn't have my bow tie.
That Miss Doolittle did.
Oh, I see some people dressed up, so let's go take pictures with them so I don't look like the only one. We are here in the Roaring 20s section of the park, or Goring 20s if you're here for Scary Farm. And it is Roaring 20s Fashion Day put on by that guy right there, Michael from One Big Knott's Family Entertainment. We're waiting for everybody to get here. There is a group photo at 2:30, then a ride takeover. Then we're all heading to the saloon, so this is going to be a fun day. Some kid just walked by and said those people are all dressed like they're from the 1980s. you know you're old when. Again, this was a fan-created event put together by Michael from One Big Knott's Family Entertainment. We lost track of him, and it's really crowded today, so we're going to head out. But if you're looking for other upcoming events, follow One Big Knott's Family Entertainment. His next event is Labor Day, and it's Glow, where everybody gets dressed up in glowy LED clothes. I'll put a link to that video down in the description from the last one. We hope you enjoyed that look at everybody in their 1920s attire. I have changed. One guest asked what time our show was starting, so I'm like, it's time to change. Time to get out of these clothes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not, with the notification bell turned on. And follow us on social media at
thefunnelcakevlog.com.
That's a website, but whatever. You know how it works on social media.
Does it really matter?
No, it doesn't really matter. We just enjoy these pretty flowers back here. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.